done for my 50th visit to Wimbledon.
I told you it would be worth it. That is a collector's item. Vijay Amritraj, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for joining us here. We wish you all the very best, and we look forward to seeing much more of you here in India. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Vijay Amritraj.
Terry, thank you. Thank you all so very much for welcoming me here this morning and to be a part of this incredible event, Bharat Summit. Most important of all, we are in a very special place. India is a very special place in this very special moment in time. And it's all of us to be able to grab it with both hands and make us even better. Take care. God bless.